afternoon. We love football with Ricardo Nunes and Antonia Septimo. Hello guys, I'm here again. How are you everyone? Today, I'm gonna cook a glutinous flour ball. So this is a good afternoon. We love football with Ricardo Nunes and Antonia Septimo. Hi guys. Today I'm gonna cook a glutinous rice bowl dessert. So it's different. So hopefully it's gonna be nice and yummy again. Okay. So how are you today? It's very raining outside, so nothing can do.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Good afternoon. Hello guys, this is my recipe. Nice and simple, but I think this is really good. Okay, I have pan with the oil. Yan, pinainit ko na siya. And then I have glutinous rice, 1 cup. And then this is the coconut milk, a bit of water, and this sugar brown. So I'm gonna caramelize this later. And then I have a stick. And then this one, guys. Okay, hang on. Okay, I start now. Tingnan mo yung look at this. Oh my god. Masarap to. Nice for dessert as well. Okay, lagyan natin yung coconut milk. I-mix lang natin siya. Ayan. Okay, just like that. And then, I'm gonna make this like a bowl. Yeah? And then, I'm gonna fry it. Ganyan lang. See? Lagyan natin siya ng konting, a little bit water. Cold water. So mix together. And then I need this one, and mix together lang. Mix lang natin guys siya, no? And then yeah. And then I need my hands this to mash mix together. Hi guys. Yes, I just to mix together like all the ingredients is combined, you know, the glutinous rice and the coconut and a bit rice. So I make like a dough, look. And then after that, I'm gonna take small pieces, and then I'm gonna make it like a ball, you know, like this. But it's nice to be 2 hands like that. Look. I'm gonna make it like this, and then like that. See? And then I'm gonna fry in this pan and this. Okay, yeah, look at this. Until everything. Okay. This is clean, so it's fine. Okay guys, just like that. until I'm gonna finish this. Okay, just like that. Pull. I have 3. Yeah, okay guys, look at this. Yeah, and then I'm gonna fry this. Wow, look at this. Yan. Nagawa ko na just like that. It's nice, yeah? Ayan guys, we need brownies this. Ayan, look at this. Hindi siya nagba-brown. So, I think they get this from Chinese, product. So, I think it's white. It's not making a brownness. So, but it's already cooked, guys. So, okay. Ayan. Ayan. So, gagawa tayo ng caramelized sugar in here, okay? Ayan. Okay, this sugar I'm gonna put in the pan. Like this. Okay? Antayin natin siya matunog. Just wait until caramelize siya. Okay guys, ito ilalagay ko dito, ganyan. Tuturugin natin siya ganyan. Okay. Wait a minute. Not yet. Turugin natin. And then I'm gonna put gawin natin na apat. 4. Okay. May nalagay mo. Masarap ko. This is nice. Ano na doon? Another one, okay. Another one, guys. Okay. And then this, because it's 3, and you put it in here. Okay. See? Look at this. Yan. Look at this. Wow, this is the glutinous rice bowl. Right, look at this. Dessert. Ayan. Sarap, no? Look at this. Sarap yan. Look. Hi guys, okay. My dishes is already done. Look at this. That yummy, isn't it? Really simple, but it's amazing. I think I'm gonna try now this. Wow, wow. Look. Oh my god. Caramelized with sugar. Okay, I'm gonna try. Yummy. Nice. I love it. Okay, guys. What I said to you is really good. So good, so good. Yummy, yum, yummy, yum. It's good. It's not much very sweet. So good for people. Vegetarian as well. This, guys. It's good for kids. Yum yum. Hopefully you like my recipe today, and thank you very much for your watching. Amazing, lovely, glutinous rice bowl, glutinous rice bowl with caramelized sugar. Yum. I love. Thank you for watching. We love food world with Ricardo Nunes and Antonia Septimo. In the kitchen with Alpaya. Thank you, love. Thank you, guys. Mwah. Love you all. Bye-bye now. Bye.
need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life, and what does it show? We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.